look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at a bit times a little bit weird. Today's topic is the power of silence in your storytelling. No, I am not Marcel Marceau. Oh my gosh, that was so dorky. But for real, though, the power of silence in storytelling is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Let's just say in filmmaking, it's not always what you're looking at that makes it amazing. Like there's a solace in silence. There's a solace in silence. Even Depeche Mode did a song, about silence. And then there's a movie theater that's out there that says silence is golden. Mm-hmm. What do you think about silence in your creations? Do you find that just kind of going can do amazing things with your craft? I don't know. It does for me. I mean, big time. There are times where just the silence will help my subject in front of my camera get into a zone. And that's all it takes, maybe 10 minutes of silence. So that's what I do. What do you do? What do you do? Share it in the comments below in the kilt zone downstairs. And let's wrap it up. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. And if you're a subscriber, congratulations! Yay! If you're not a subscriber, for real though, subscribe. And then make sure you hit notifications, the bell, the ding dong. I'll send a raven. And until next time, remember to do what? Stay caffeinated. Oh, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.